madoda kuyanyewiwa. I am sorry to say, but sisixhosa kuyanyewiwa in the ANC, particularly in the Eastern Cape province. Hi guys, igama lam ndingubut Lou and welcome to Let's Unpack with Lou. Now, Princess Faku, uyazinyela. Let me fix my language. Ulala ngepilisi, uvuka ngepilisi with the level of stress that she's faced with. Number one, Godongwane uxutha inqathe. In fact, akho nto imnandi because uprincess utyisa you know who she's feeding with the business eseBuffalo City. Andifuna ube ndiyigwekweleza. So uGodongwane woxutha inqathe lamaqabane la wakhe, and kaloku uGodongwane akazulawulwa ngulo because nguye onantsikayo. Andiqondi uba nizawundiva. Ladies and gentlemen, kuyanyewiwa e-Eastern Cape, politically and otherwise. The stresses of Princess Faku goes far and beyond uNqabayomzi Kwankwa, who is clearly taking over the Buffalo City Metro in the Eastern Cape. Now, if you understand and you know the dynamics of the province, you will learn that the Eastern Cape ANC is intlaba zehlukane, is not united, is very much fighting. Kuyaliwa pha ngaphakathi. Okokuqala, i-ANC andazi mani uba ndingathi is divided how many times, because the ANC itself is uba bavumelane, omnye uyaphuma ye-SACP, abanintsi bayaphuma baye kwi-MK, abanye bayilahle kwa uyilahla le nto ye-ANC, they going to the UDM. That is the recent development due to the unsatisfaction, is that the right English? Due to the unhappiness of how things are handled inside the ANC. Now, of course, if there is no provincial leadership, if there is no regional leadership, illegitimate okanye, that listens to people's problems without arrogance and favoritism and factions, of course people are gonna go to wherever they're being listened to. Now, I covered a story of a prominent leader of the ANC that has gone to MK. We have seen many of them. They are slowly bayahlika kule nqanawa ye-ANC ezikayo. They're going to either the UDM, what is this, Green Beans, the MK, and some are still within, because Galwakati Zisuza are still within the ANC, but they're going to be campaigning for the SACP. Now, you will ask yourself, I am asking myself, is this a deliberate mission to destroy the ANC? Is this the end of the ANC? What if these people have been given money to finish the ANC altogether? What if that is the mission and Tina Siyas? Did I welcome you? Hi guys, welcome to Let's Unpack. Igama lam, of course, ndingubut Lou. Ndingunolali we kunqayi. Oyena mntu ndifuna uthetha ngaye apha kuPrincess Faku. Now, hey umaPrince, hayi tata ungaphantsi. Ndikhangele isiXhosa ndasincama. Akho, there's no better term to use than kuyanyewiwa, noko ibetter. Andizuthi uyazinyela. That's a strong language apha khoyo, because number one, uxuthelwe inqathe eli liyi-budget la 2 billion, imalini? I-2 billion eseBuffalo City, lixuthiwe nguGodongwane. Due to everything wrong that is happening in the Buffalo seat. That is stress number one, because your leverage yimali ixesha elinintsi uze izinto zenzeke yimali. Now when you no longer have that money, hatred uzawuba ngaphantsi. Masiqale apho. Number two, ngulwazi rhotya, the biggest headache of the ANC in the Eastern Cape. Ulwazi rhotya is the biggest headache because he keeps taking them to court. He keeps taking them to court and he keeps winning. Ububhedengu nobumenemene nobuqili benkokheli ze-ANC e-Eastern Cape zibabeke kule ndawo bakuyo. Iphelile i-ANC e-Eastern Cape. Mind you, that is ahead of the national conference of the ANC. Buyakhumbula ke uMbalulu ufuna lento, uPaul bashadile ufuna lento. Hayi kodwa shem uMbax uzisabotagile kakhulu, but ke yena ebecinga uba uqokelela isenti zothenga inkomfa leya yakwa-national. That's what he thought. He thought by protecting all the wrongdoing that is happening in the Eastern Cape, the Eastern Cape will back him for president because Eastern Cape has the numbers and is the biggest. That's what he thought he was managing, but little did he know that he is untwilisela the entire organization of the ANC. Ladies and gentlemen, here I'm going to speak about my favorite human being in the politics, uPrincess Faku. uPrincess Faku ndithe xa ndivula le show ndathi uPrincess Faku andiyithandi ke la language ukuba uyazinyela ingathi ndiyathuka. Unobulala ngeepilisi, uvuka ngeepilisi because hayithatha ungaphantsi. Laa nto ithi uPrincess ke mos uyakwazi ulala engaphantsi avuke engaphezulu enxiba isikatula. Do you understand? She's that powerful. Eyona nto ibimenza powerful yimali. Because unela budget inkulu and anything and everything anything and everything in the ANC ithengwa ngemali. So whatever odds, money is going to take you out of that problem within the ANC. Now, when Godongwane closes the tap of money in the Buffalo City, that becomes a problem. On top of all the khotya, the court cases, the conferences, the appeals, everything that is happening. Now, the Buffalo City Metropolitan Municipality in the Eastern Cape has just released, some department is saying, EPWP workers, the poorest of the poor, is arams abantu aba batshayela izitrato zaseMonti bapay 2.5. They're being fired, all of them, because the metro, the municipality does not afford them anymore. Now, that is very concerning because that's the political muscle, that's the average of the ANC. Xa ndisithi kuni i-ANC iqubhe emrhudweni, hayi ndiye ndiba ngumXhosa kwezi ntsuku, ityebileka kuwo, it's in deep shit. Ingathi bhetere xa ndiyikhumsha. I-ANC in the Eastern Cape, in Buffalo City, it's in deep shit because ukwankwa hayi tata uyavuthulula uthatha kwanto e-Eastern Cape, rather eBuffalo City ekuthiwa ivota. Somebody said it's too early to think that uGwangwa will win the elections. But mna, the way I'm looking, kugxothwa i-PWP workers, i-ANC, i-ANC, rather i-Eastern Cape, Buffalo City, iMonti is deteriorating infrastructurally and otherwise. Kubi man, senze uba kubi ephondweni laseMpuma Koloni andifuna ukatsho. And look, kusekho ezi dynamics zokubana uMbalula efuna uba ngupresident noPaul sabotaging i-BGMs, doing like forcing candidates unto people. Abantu bathi abamfuni lo ceba, i-ANC ithi nangu uceba wenu. While those things are still going on, I don't think anything is going to be right in the ANC. Bayayingcwaba i-ANC without any assistance. There is no political. Look, this is going to be the easiest election year that you've ever seen, because the ANC has finished itself without any assistance from outside. There is no need of those dramas of Nansiki fabricating things, scandals. No. They're doing all that by themselves. And I don't want to lie. Us who are not getting any tenders from the ANC, who are not getting employed by the comrades of the ANC, we are in jubilation at the moment. Us who have been abafungelwa ANC kwathiwa soze sinikise, we are in jubilation of the moment. And the downfall of the ANC, I think mna ngalamini, i-4 November, I'm gonna go find the most expensive champagne and I'm gonna host a party and I'm gonna celebrate the fall of the ANC. Why is that? Because lama mene only eat among themselves. Yonke into mani ANC batyisa nabodwa, ababazi abantu. Senjengoba ababazi abantu. I think lixesha likaYehova eli lokubana all the tears that we've ever cried, kutyiwa imali yeCovid, kutyiwa imali kaMandela, kutyiwa i-budget each and every year, ii-toilets, besitya bodwa bengasiniki into, we will be celebrating the downfall of the ANC. I'm not going to speak about Ngcobo. I've covered that on my social media. Now, the conversation of, remember, on the previous episode number 4, I spoke of the top 2 of the mayoral candidates of the Buffalo City Metro. The top 2 being Uncedo Khumbacha and Princess Faku. One of the stresses that Princess has is probably the Khumbacha that is likely favorable to people. Look, I'm being told that NEC Yalwa, they are fighting within the NEC. Let me check something, because I want you to come with me. Ndifuna ni understand ubana ndithetha ngantoni. Now, the top 7 of the ANC, Cyril Ramaphosa, Paul Bashatile, Uncle Gwizi, Fikile Mbalula Nomvula, Moropene Ramokgopa, no Dr. Gwen Ramokgopa. That is the top 7 of the ANC. And of course, it's 2 factions. I'm sure of the top 5, if factions Bananzitin. The top 5 is Cyril Ramaphosa, Gwede, Mantashe, Fikile Mbalula. They are likely to be on the same side. That's my analysis. They are likely to be on the same side. They are likely to uthetha into enye. Why is that? Because one, Uncle Gwizzy has many skeletons of the number one. Uncle Gwizzy nalo bayawazi amabibi ka-number one, and ke ngoku bambambe ngaba, and he has to agree with whatever they say. The real leader of the ANC is Umqwathi, Uncle Gwizzy. They know each other's skeletons, so bazawunyanzeleka uba bathethe into enye. That is the side that is favoring uMabu e-Eastern Cape. uMabu ke ngumntu kaPrincess. Masisuke ke apho sise ku-faction number 2. PM Uncle Polinski Mashatile sisimvumvu nomvula amankonyane balala ngengubo enye. They are their own faction. So it's three. See, it's Uncle Gwizzy and the SG, right? Bathethe into enye, then ibe nguPolinski and umvumvu bathethe into enye kwezi factions. Number one is saying, yamadod, as long as you don't throw me under the bus, because ugxothwa kwam ndiye etrongweni. So mna andizuzingena ezinto zenu ze-factions, andizuthatha cala laa mntu, because once I publicly take sides, you might vote me out nithi mandigxothwe kule nto yam yephalaphala. So he remains ecingweni. He's being wise. He's playing ishes eright yokubana andizuthatha cala laa mntu, mna ndizawuvuma le nto bayithethayo ndithi ziboneleni. So sikuloo nto ke ngoku sikwinto engakhokhelwanga apha, because number one is not taking any sides because he's scared for his own future. Now, with the dynamics of the Eastern Cape Buffalo City, who is baking? See, I understand Mospana, ugel lo uthandwa ndim, utyisa le faction ndibizileyo that is favoring Iphondo. That is where the money yase Buffalo City is going. Hence, a lot of wrong things are being enabled. A lot of wrong things. People are getting away with a lot of wrong things here in the Eastern Cape because of that leverage of imali yalapha e-Eastern Cape iyakuni. So kwanto erongo yenzekayo apho, you'll overlook it. And that's what has crippled the ANC in the Eastern Cape. Now, it looks like this Ncedo guy, Khumbaca, is likely to be favored by the NSC. Oqala mandithi uKhumbaca is endorsed by the other faction, the faction yoPolinski, your PM Paul Mashatile and Umvumvu. That's my understanding. However, within the top 7, it looks like Uncedo Khumbaca uye ebanga phezulu because he has no scandal, and ANC is beginning to think, hey madoda, kodwa uba sibuyisela lo mntu engafunwa enje, lo nguPrincess ke engafunwa enje eBuffalo City, sawube siyazichana, we will lose le nto yokugqibela sinayo ile Buffalo City Metro. That's what is on the mind of the leaders of the ANC at the moment. However, there is ithemba eli libhalayo lokubana uzawuprotector the Queen, uPrince. However, it sounds like and it looks like lo ulwa yedwa protecting uPrince. I previously said the future of Princess Faku is hanging in the balance. It is 50-50% chances because we cannot lie and run away from the fact that he is powerful. I noba ningamlwa noba ningangamfuni na, but wona amandla unawo, and ke ngoku uphethe iqudu ixesha elininzi. Asazi bizawuzala ngomone, asikayazi nyani. Before I close this episode, I want to remind you that le genge ibethiweyo ngulwazi okwesihlanu yase-Eastern Cape has gone to Buffalo, has gone to Bloemfontein, the Supreme Court of Appeal, and it looks like bazawumanyelwa. Asazi ke uba Buffalo City, eBuffalo, eBloemfontein izawuzala ngumani, because eMonti, eCourt eMonti babethwe phansi, eCourt eRhini, Makhanda High Court babethwe phansi. Now they're going to the other court, which is the Bloemfontein. Asazi uba kuza kwenzeka ntoni, but I suspect bazawuphuma phaa eBuffalo eBloemfontein baye eConstitutional Court. Akudlalwa ku-ANC. That is 90 what days? How many days? It's 90 something days before the local government elections here in South Africa. I want to repeat what I said, that we South Africans are going to be celebrating the downfall of the ANC, because akho nto isenzela yona ayisiqhubi kakuhle. A lot they have done wrong. Abantu abatsha funeka baqeshwe nge-private parts. Kufumana itenda, yonke into akho nto yenzeka right between me and you. Mna ndawuvala umlomo the day bendisilence with let me not go there. They know exactly how they can silence me. Hayi ndingumntu kaloku madoda, akunothi kwanantsika unantsika uNhlanhla Lux wanikwa inqathi wavala. Wakhe wamva uNhlanhla Lux ephinde ethetha? Wanikwa inqathi watyatyuma wavala phezulu. Uyatya ngoku kwi-ANC, soze uve English kaNhlanhla Lux ephinde ethetha. Uyatya ngoku. Ndixele ke mna ke ngomntu. Otherwise, ladies and gentlemen, igama lam ndingubhutlu. It's Women's Month, and I really want to rally behind Princess Faku, but kuza kwenzeka intando kaThixo, not eyam. Ebuyile ngabuyanga, I honestly don't give a hoot. I honestly don't care. I care about her as a person, but I don't care whether or not she leads the Buffalo City. She comes back. It's not like uzandinika any tender or uzandiqesha, akazindenzela nix. So ekhona engekho, ehambile ebuyile ngabuyanga, anaxesha laloo nto. It makes no difference to me. Masikhe sijonge ke madoda ubana izawuthi thini le nto. I'm going to report to you when or if Princess Faku comes back, or ubethwe ezantsi u-imeja lo bhuti kuthiwa nguNcedo Khumbaca. My job is to report to you exactly what is happening on the ground. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Ndidla ngocela ke into yokubana nibo kumsubscribe, please do click on the subscribe button. It's free of charge. Leave a comment. Do you understand? Leave a comment, and if you can, you please share this link to your friends. And xa ubona umgarando ungawuskiphi betunana, that's how I'm making money. Kuthiwa la mgarando ngu-0 point something dollars. So 0.00 ntonton dollar each mgarando odlalayo, which is something, because ungafika iyi-20 rand loo nto apho kanye. Yeah, understand? So don't skip those ads. Thank you so much for listening. Akusibakudala ke, I'm still practicing le nto ka-podcast. I want to have some guests on my podcast, but I'm not ready yet. I think ngizawuqala ngosisilum ka-Olifants. I'm gonna have a couple of people over to my podcast, but not yet. You need to keep subscribing so that we grow, and when people come to my platform, baze benala confidence that you guys are there. You are a real audience, you are loyal, you're watching, you're supporting, you sharing, you know, you're active on my platform. Kunzima ke ukuthi baba ikundi. I enjoy so much talking to you, and thank you for watching.